Well, good morning on this foggy and a little drizzly start to your Sunday. Love Field sitting at 51. No delays there, even though we had the fog this morning. That's good news. Also, no delays out at DFW Airport, where it's pretty much impossible to see what's going on. You know, normally you can see the runway in the distance and the terminal off in the distance. Not so much this morning because of the fog. We have that dense fog advisory until 10 o'clock this morning. That's when I expect things to improve. The visibility should improve after that. And in fact, I think some of you could see some sunshine before the day is done, but definitely not this morning. Actual showers will be hard to come by, but I know it's a little damp and drizzly out there because of the fog that is ongoing. We will keep the clouds around this morning, but the clouds will slowly clear out today. You can thank a breeze for that. It'll really start to kick in this afternoon and into the evening. Gusts easily up over 30 miles an hour as we head into the evening hours. They're up to 38 by 7 o'clock this evening. As that breeze increases, that helps the clouds scatter out, little afternoon sunshine out there, and highs should reach the 70s later on today. Maybe some 60s across our northern areas where those clouds will hold a little thicker. Just kind of depends on how much sunshine you see this afternoon. See a good deal of sunshine, you could easily warm up into the mid to upper 70s. Really have a lot more clouds today. Maybe it's only the upper 60s to low 70s. We do have a strong cap in place today, so not much is going to happen besides those clouds slowly clearing out. There may be a stray shower here or there, but most places will be dry. There you can see 3 o'clock this afternoon, a little sunshine breaking out across the area. It'll be some late day sunshine for a lot of you, so it's going to be a delayed warm up, but once that sun comes out, temperatures should really strongly climb. Then at 7 o'clock this evening, that cap's still in place and our attention turns off to the west. Here's a round of thunderstorms moving into western North Texas. 10 o'clock this evening, they're anywhere from Breckenridge to Graham, between Archer City and Bowie. At that time, they'll start moving toward the DFW area pretty quickly, weakening a little bit as they do so and kind of becoming a skinny line of storms as they arrive in DFW sometime between 11 o'clock tonight and about 1 o'clock in the morning as we head into tomorrow. There's 1 a.m. by 2 to 3, they're across our eastern areas and quickly moving off to the east as we head into the late night hours with sunshine by tomorrow morning. So the severe weather threat for most of you is pretty low. It's 1 on a scale of 5 because as those storms enter North Texas, they'll start weakening, but I still can't rule out a little hail and gusty winds as those storms move through. Where the severe weather threat definitely a lot higher, western Oklahoma through a good swath of Oklahoma as well. It's a 4 on a scale of 5. For what will be a pretty strong wind event as those storms sweep across Oklahoma this evening and into tonight. There will be a little bit of a tornado threat up that way as well. But for us in North Texas, that cap in place is going to help those storms weaken as they arrive. It's not going to completely make them disappear, but as those storms move in, it'll be a skinny line of storms, a brief round of heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds as well. The winds, however, will be gusty regardless. In fact, we could see gusts up to 50 miles an hour late tonight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. Remember, that has nothing to do with the thunderstorms. That's just another one of these windy nights here in North Texas. That's why we have a wind advisory that goes into effect at 4 o'clock this evening through 2 o'clock in the morning, as those winds will first be out of the south. Remember, gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour this evening and into tonight. Then they'll shift out of the west and could be anywhere from around 40 to 50 miles an hour during the late night hours. Sunshine tomorrow and a little calmer winds. It'll still be breezy, but nothing like we're going to have later today. We're up to 80 on Tuesday. Then we cloud up again the middle to late part of the week. Some showers and storms possible once again. Another Friday where it's the coolest day of the week, with a high of 55, and then we start to warm up again next weekend, and next weekend's looking dry as well.